I want to express my thanks to all my family and loved ones. You guys all know who you are. Thank you for the wonderful support during my law school journey. I also want to thank my mentors who have helped me become the person I am today. Adriana Cervantes from Wilkie Fleury, thank you for being a great mentor and always believing in me. Ariel Brown, an adjunct professor here on campus, thank you for all your constant advice and help. Sam Fareed at United Citizen Law, thank you for all of your guidance and inspiring me to become the person I am today. I want to thank some professors and faculty on campus who have also been super amazing. Professor Dan Croxall, thank you for being a great professor and a mentor to me ever since we met. Thank you to both Professor Rezvani and Professor Dietz in the trial ad program. Thank you for pushing me to do my best and teaching me the skills I need to be a successful litigator. Thank you to the admissions team and marketing team for all the support and the nice McGeorge gear. Last but not least, thank you to all of my friends on campus for a fun 3 years. Law school was not that bad with some cool friends.
I would like to express so much gratitude to my parents for taking me under their roof again and feeding me, because God knows that I'd just be eating popcorn for dinner every single day if they didn't. For the rest of my family as well, for providing support. My close friends from outside of law school who knew that they probably wouldn't be hearing from me very often, Monica, Jen, Kimberly, and Tadao. And of course the friends I've made here at McGeorge, including my study team, the Social Distance Warriors from our 1L year. I'd like to thank faculty and administration here at McGeorge, of course Dean Schwartz for always being so patient with me, Professor Coe for always providing so much insight to being a good attorney and a good law student, Professor Croxall for pointing me in the right direction when it comes to researching things and writing as well. I'd also like to thank Professor Salcido for being my first boss here at McGeorge, for allowing me to be involved in so many diversity initiatives, starting with the Center for Inclusion and Diversity. Of course, Dean Tracy Simmons, whom we all miss, who always provided so much honesty and knowledge and support and guidance, especially in very large times of need. And to the admissions team, I knew I could always walk in and they'd be greeting me with a smile. Danielle Shipes, Kirsten Livingston, and Marie Meyer. I'm so happy to make it this far in my career. I'm very excited for the remainder of my career, and I couldn't have done it without all of you.
Today I want to express my sincerest gratitude to my support system. To my parents, Federico and Rocio Zerga, thank you for instilling in me the importance of living life with love and for teaching me how to be kind and patient. Your unwavering love and encouragement have been instrumental in helping me become the person I am today. To my brother and best friend, Diego Zerga, thank you for teaching me that obstacles are meant to be overcome. Your resilience and determination in the face of adversity have inspired me to push through even the toughest of challenges. To my partner, Amanda Rodriguez, thank you for making every day feel like a dream. Your love and support have been a constant source of strength and inspiration for me. To my fellow law students who made a transfer student like me feel right at home, thank you for bringing me into your community and allowing me the privilege of your friendship. I also want to thank those who I did not mention by name, but who nonetheless played a really important part in my law school experience. Your guidance, encouragement, and support have helped me to achieve my goals, and I am incredibly grateful. Once again, thank you all from the bottom of my heart.
Quiero darle las gracias a todas las personas que me han apoyado durante este largo y difícil proceso. Muchas gracias a mis familiares y amistades, tíos, tías, hermanos, que nunca me han dejado caer cuando se me hacía tan imposible terminar esta carrera. Muchas gracias, abuelita. Su esfuerzo y sacrificio es la razón por la que he tenido tantas oportunidades. Gracias a mis abuelitos que no están aquí hoy y que sé que me están viendo desde el cielo. Gracias a mi mamá por enseñarme cómo ser una guerrera y una gran mujer. Gracias a mi papá, que es mi héroe. Te admiro tanto y agradezco todos los consejos que me das. Yo no estaría aquí sin ustedes. Mis padres y abuelitos no pudieron terminar la escuela, pero mi diploma también es para ellos, porque yo soy un reflejo de ellos. Esto es para ustedes.
I want to thank my dad, Mr. Jeremiah Aibor. He gave me the drive and the support 8 years ago before he died. He was like, Blessing, it's time for you to go do your master's. I said, no. I just finished my undergrad from law school. I just got called to the bar. I don't want to go for my master's. He said, you need it. You need It's time to go out there to see what the world has in stock for you. You are a go-getter. Just go do your master's. And I'm grateful for him giving me the idea, the vision, the support. I know he's in the grave right now, but he gave me that stamina, that daring spirit which I have today that helps me to achieve everything or every challenges I face. I want to thank him. I want to appreciate my dad for giving me the strength, the vision for me to be able to complete my master's program at the McGeorge School of Law. Again, I want to thank the McGeorge community, which include the professors, the international office, for their support. It's been a one year journey of intense study and academic support. I want to appreciate them. I want to thank them. I also want to thank my mom back home and my siblings back home in Nigeria. I want to thank them for their support, their constant prayers, checking up on me. And also, I want to also thank McGeorge for giving me an opportunity. Indeed, it's an opportunity. So many people also want to be in this kind of program, but they don't have the opportunity. I just want to thank them for that, and I hope I'll be able to go out there and be a blessing to others. I'll also be able to help and support people who also want to go through this path with me in the journey of life. Thank you, everyone.